Quincena. Welcome to another episode of Mask Quincena. Today I filmed a pretty little thing clothing haul and it's up on my channel right now, so if you want to see it, go check it out. I'm gonna link it down below, and yeah, that's the reason why I have makeup right now. I'm gonna be using both Madara brand masks. So I have here this anti-pollution charcoal and mud repair mask, and another one is this Madara AHA peel mask. Whenever I have makeup on, after I take it off, if there's a time, if it's possible for me to put on mud mask, clay mask, peel off mask, those kinds of masks that I need to wash off, then I try to put it on after my makeup, because I feel like it cleans my skin way better, and my skin, I just feel like it cleans a lot more. So after I remove this makeup, I'm gonna put these two babies right here. These masks are way different from each other. This is a peel off and this is a mud mask, but still in this review I'm gonna figure out which one I feel inclined to, which one feels a lot better, and yeah, I can't wait to do this. Let's remove my makeup. I got this from Bella Box subscription box, and also I got this from Look Fantastic subscription box. So let me use this now. I'm gonna start with the AHA peel mask. Wait, I kept on mentioning peel off mask, but this is peel mask. It didn't say peel off mask. Gives instant radiance with a nature's superdose of active acids. It has vitamin C, it also has hydrating lactic acid, and also elderflower, which provides exfoliation for bright, radiant, and smooth skin. This one right here, it's not your typical mask. This is actually like a really light cream texture. So let me just put this one. The special thing about this is it has charcoal and anti-pollution, and it targets signs of aging and detoxifies. So, ooh. Okay, it's almost 10 minutes, guys, and before I wash this off, I'd like to point out that well, obviously I have applied pretty thin mask in this on the whole face, but I think it's because both masks have really light texture, so I couldn't really put pretty thick layer on my skin. And I noticed as well in this area right here, I mean on my pores, on the charcoal one, it really synced in my pores. I can see it going in my pores, so that's good. And this one also, it's pretty dry. Yep, except for these ones that are thick, but so far that's how it is. So let me just remove this mask. So I'm back and I'm gonna give you now, guys, my thoughts on the mask. Let's start with the AHA brightening peel mask. Okay, so when I put it right here, after like minutes that it's stayed on my skin, it does feel itchy. It's very light, but I definitely could feel it. It's not that all over my face, the itch there, like tingling thing there, but it is like in some areas, probably in those that have small pimple bumps right there. And I can also see that it's reddish in this area right here. I don't know, I feel like it's more red. I don't know if you could see it in the camera, but here in my mirror, it's reddish here compared to this one. So this one, this area where the mud mask is, the charcoal mud mask, it just feels good. Both have really smooth after effect. I think both are alright. I don't find it too amazing. And also, mask is not something that you will know right away if the mask is good or, I mean, like, the result is not gonna come out right away in just one use. So I still have to use it a few times, but just for like a first impression, I could say that it is alright. And another thing, the mask, this peel mask, kind of feels like not a mask, cause it's more of like liquid. It's so runny, and it's like I'm putting on moisturizer or like a serum or something. So I don't know. I wanted to feel it. I'm weird like that, but that's just how I feel it. So this feels like more like a mask to me, this mud mask. And by the way, I forgot to mention that these are vegan products. So if you're particular to that one, for like comfortability, I could say that I like this one way better. If you're gonna use this, you might have a little bit of sensitivity, especially if you have sensitive skin, because I did feel it as well. It just depends on what you really prefer. So if you like AHA, if your target for your skin, for your mask is something that has to exfoliate the skin, then this one is good. It has AHA, which really is alpha hydroxy acid. That's what it stands for. And it's really good for exfoliating the top layer of your skin, which is the epidermis. So it just strips off the dead skin cells, and that it just stimulates a fast like changing of your skin. But this one right here, it's just gonna clean up your skin. Until now, guys, I can still feel something here, but it's not too bad. It's something that I can tolerate. So maybe just use this one twice a week or like once a week. You just have to build tolerance if you are really into this. Not too bad for this too. I'm gonna give this a 7 out of 10, and I'm gonna give this a 6 out of 10. That completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already to see more of Mask with Senna. I'm gonna be trying out more masks in the future. And also, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up. It would mean so much to me. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!